Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
F-strings require Python 3, 6 or newer, and start with an F or F prefix. Write F before a string literal and open a brace to insert a value. Place variable names like name or expressions like age plus 1 inside braces for direct interpolation. You can call functions like len, items, or evaluate math like price *1. 0.5 inside braces. Strings remain regular Python strings after evaluation and return str results automatically. Format specifiers work after a colon inside braces, for example, 2f for 2 decimal places. Combine width and alignment like text10 to write a line or num8, 2f to center and show commas. Use conversions with an exclamation mark, for example value, r or value, s to control representation. You can chain expressions and specifiers, for example total *1, 0.5, 2f to calculate and format a result in one expression. Prefer simple expressions inside f-strings and move complex logic to helper functions for clarity. Use descriptive variable names so f-strings remain readable and maintainable across your codebase. F-strings are generally faster than str. Format, and often more concise for common tasks like logging and output. Avoid injecting untrusted input directly into f-strings to prevent accidental evaluation issues when constructing dynamic code. Use multi-line f-strings or join small f-strings for long
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.